So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Now once you're on this, next to view by, you want to set it to category. And now you're going to click on programs. And now you're going to click on default programs. So in most cases, this would affect web applications, but if you had another kind of file extension that was opening up, so let's say that you have a PDF issue, you would go into Adobe Reader or Adobe Acrobat, and then you would set the .pdf as Adobe Acrobat. But if you're getting this problem with web application, you want to scroll down and find it. So for example, if I'm having a problem with Microsoft Edge, I'm just going to click on it, and then you want to make sure that everything here has been set as default to Microsoft Edge. Set default, and make sure that everything else has been set to default as the web browser that you're having a problem with. And this should fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now once the scan has been completed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.